Now let's get into the next topic, is jewelry, cleaning, maintenance, other miscellaneous areas. First, I would say that you're going to need to be on top of cleaning your jewelry, probably cleaning your jewelry every day. I don't know if it's going to be a multiple time a day kind of thing, or just when you go to sleep, buffing it, rubbing it off, getting the shine on, and doing that before you go to sleep, or something like that in the morning. I don't know. I'm going to find out. I'm sure the recommendation is to do it once, twice a day. Solid gold, probably, it doesn't matter. If it's gold plated silver, it's probably going to wear off the gold plating, whatever. Next is going to be preventative damage. Obviously, if your grills are in your mouth, you're going to want to watch what you put in your mouth, what's near your mouth. And if you take them out, you're going to want to keep them in a case. You're not going to want to, throw them on a napkin to where you throw them in the garbage, or they can get knocked off the table and somebody step on them, or whatever kind of issue you might have. But preventing damage is probably a very important part of having a grill, because it's a delicate piece of jewelry. It's not the most toughest thing around. I'm sure you could squish it in your hand and end up breaking it. That's anything solid gold, silver, whatever precious metal. It's not titanium, it's not steel. I haven't seen if there's any kind of surgical steel grills that they make, such as the same metal that they use for jewelry and body jewelry. Most of that surgical steel. I would be interested to find out more about that, but that's another topic, another video altogether. So the next issue with jewelry would be repairs. If they do get damaged, you're probably going to have to send it back to the jeweler to get it repaired. You're not going to be able to do it yourself, and if you do, you might end up causing further damage, or breaking it and causing further damage to cause more money to repair it. I don't know. But I would just advise that if it does get damaged, send it back to the jeweler. Sometimes they can repair it for free. Sometimes they charge a fee. Obviously, if you got to send it in the mail, you're going to have to pay for that. But just check with the jeweler that you buy it from and ask them what their repair policy is before you buy a grill. That way, you're not going to be surprised at what it's going to take to get it fixed if it ends up breaking. Next is going to be dissimilar metals. You've obviously seen people wearing funny rings where the finger turns green because the metal oxidizes or it rubs off on the skin because there's some kind of reaction. I wear body jewelry. I've got tongue ring, lip rings, and my concern is that if I'm wearing a grill and I've got a lip ring in or my tongue ring in, is that going to scratch the grill? Is that going to cause marks on it? Is it going to affect it in any way? I'm going to find out. I'd like to know if anybody out there has had their body jewelry affect their grill, as far as if it's dissimilar metals. Does it cause some kind of reaction? Does it cause some kind of coloration in your mouth? I don't know. We'll find out. And then lastly, long-term care. Ensuring that you've got a long-lasting shine and a long-term shine, because if you've got gold, it's supposed to stay shiny forever. But for some people can't afford gold, they're going to get something silver, something gold-plated that may fade, it may tarnish. So to keep your shine, you're going to want to clean it every day, maybe twice a day, once a day. I don't know. I'll find out. And if it gets to the point where your jewelry is dirty and you need to have it cleaned, you can take it to a jeweler. Any kind of jewelry shop can clean the jewelry. That's anybody can do it. They've got ultrasonic cleaning machines. They can get it cleaned for free or for a very affordable price. I don't know specifically, but just check it out if you need to have your jewelry cleaned.